Hey, hi again, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and in this video I want to share an observation about me or another thing I learned about myself from my preference for a specific crystal property. This has to do with the ability of the crystal to reflect light. I promise this won't be a science class, just enough to understand the whole thing, so let's chat. When we talk about physical properties of crystals, these can be something as technical as hardness, specific gravity, or things you can tell by the physical appearance, optical properties of the crystal, and how its surface reflects light, which is a simplified definition of luster. It has to do with something called refractive index, which is how fast the light travels through a medium, in this case a material, or how much the light bends when passing from one medium to another, let's say air and crystal. See, that wasn't bad. Anyways, luster can be dull, metallic, like in the case of pyrite, waxy like jade, or vitreous, which is the glass-like quality that we see in quartz, fluorides, calcites, and beryls. By the way, if you're thinking of that super shine stone, diamonds, that is adamantine luster, which is high refraction. Don't know the highest. Anyways, looking at my crystals, my preference is vitreous or glassy, meaning those crystals that are transparent or translucent. So, clear, transparent, see-through, crystal clear. It's not that it's a surprise, it's just interesting. My line of work in the past required clarity, reliable data, validation of assumptions, and yes, you can start with an unverified assumption, but by the time you work and your work is done, you need to fact check those. The communication needed to be crystal clear, no room for ambiguity, yes, no answers. The maybes require investigation or a lengthy discussion. Things and concepts were clearly defined. So okay, that was work, the kind I don't do anymore, but to this day, I cannot deal with terms like a drizzle, a pinch, a dash. What's that supposed to mean? How much is it? Why is it so hard to assign a quantity, like a tablespoon, a quarter of a teaspoon? What's the consensus here? So my mind goes that way, and to this day, I don't deal with anything that has that kind of definition, and I don't cook recipes that call for drizzles or pinches or dashes. So you get me where I'm going with this. Another thing that I have observed is this. I prefer everything in clear glass. Decoration, kitchenware, containers, etc. I'm not going to say that colored glass is a problem. It is not, as long as I can see through it. The question here is nature or nurture, right? Was this something I learned and adopted, or am I built that way? How about you? Take a look at your crystals and see what your favorites say about you. Hey, if you want to learn more about the physical properties of crystals and how subtle energies guide you in your choices, check my crystal healing class in the link below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.